Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on?
Introducing Mosley Tank, an adorable bulldog who has joined our family. Mosley has lovely folded ears and has a mild hydrocephalus. Join us in following his remarkable journey on RoadDog. Mugshot is doing an incredible job as a foster brother, looking after the recently arrived Mosley Tank. At just 6 weeks old, Mosley was diagnosed with a mild case of hydrocephalus by the neurologist. Thankfully, the condition is not severe, and he will only require monitoring without the need for medication. We are absolutely thrilled to receive this fantastic news. It's not often that a new dog gets to visit the doctor and receive such wonderful updates like Mosley did.
You've always got opinions, little man. Hey? You've always got opinions. Oh my God, who have we got here?
Oh my God, our auction
Quigley,
raised over
and Mosley Tink.
$25,000.
All here to say thank you so much to everybody that bid on our auction. We raised $25,000. Yay! So yes, thank you so much for supporting us, for helping these little lovable lemons that we have. And big thank you to Chelsea for her amazing idea to do this, and Mackenzie for rocking it, and for everybody involved, especially of course the donors and sponsors who gave the items. We are so absolutely
Sending a heartwarming paw of love and friendship from Mugshot and Mosley Tink to all those in need today. In times like these, I firmly believe in the power of love, prayers, and taking action. Introducing the adorable Mosley Tink, who is now available for adoption. This little guy recently had his neurology check, and the news is excellent. Although he was surrendered with a possibility of hydrocephalus, he displays no symptoms apart from having a slightly domed head, which is common among many French and English bulldogs nowadays. While we cannot guarantee that his condition will never worsen, I am filled with hope that Mosley will lead a normal and fulfilling life. At 8 weeks old, he is now ready to find his forever family. If you are an experienced bulldog owner, willing to dedicate your time and love to this charming little guy, please fill out the adoption application on our website. Mosley is looking for someone who can appreciate his intelligence, playfulness, and spirited personality. He's bound to bring laughter and joy into your life. Although Mosley was initially scheduled to fly to the East Coast this week, a flight cancellation led us to reconsider. He is currently located in Southern California, but we are open to considering out-of-state adoption for the right home. Please note that due to a recent flight cancellation, Mosley's plans to head to the East Coast have been put on hold. For now, he will remain in Southern California. Stay tuned for regular updates on the heartwarming journey of Mosley Tink, our adorable canine companion. But that's not all. Our upcoming videos will also feature captivating stories and the lives of various other dogs. Don't miss out on any of these captivating tales. Remember to click the subscribe button to stay updated.